boy Tonino,
owners of Kizomba Phoenix, where
we make learning Kizomba fun and easy.
if you're a first timer,
We recommend you subscribing, liking, and sharing our video to other your friends who may enjoy the same.
if you like freebies,
We have plenty of freebies. We have this specific music that you're listening to right now. You can download it. The link will be posted below, and you can practice as many times as you want.
don't forget to follow us on social media
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.
and more. Okay, and also stay tuned for our weekly Kizomba classes.
Fantastic. Today we have something very easy, special. It's gonna look like this. Hey, pa.
Okay, let's break it down.
Half tempo, 5, 6, 5, 6, hold on 4, and 1, 2, going back, 3, hold on 4, turn on 5, so we're gonna step on 6, 6, and 7, finish on 8, the whole thing, half tempo, hold on 4, and 5, 6, 7, here we go, 1, and 2, 3, hold on 4, turn on 5, step on 6, step on 7, step on 8. One more time, I messed it up. Here we go. And 5, 6, half tempo, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, finito!
Yay! Now for the ladies, we're gonna step each count and we're gonna start with the Saida going backwards, okay? 5, 5, 6, 5, 6, half tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 6, 7, 8.
Fantastic.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, turn, 5, around, and 8.
Fantastic. One thing that you need to notice here, I'm taking the lady on the Saida. So I go 1, Saida, 3, 4. On 4, I'm opening it up here and I'm putting pressure on the follow left rib cage to
So
encourage
ladies,
her
we
to
know
step.
that we go forward and then we go around,
So this is my 6
following his left foot. This is our
and 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. So now we are going to take it full speed. 5, 6, and 5, 6, full speed. And 1, 2, back, 4, turn, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
For the ladies, full speed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey! Fantastic. So we're on 8. Half tempo, we're gonna go all the way around. Gentlemen, you're gonna hold on 5. Watch
Ladies,
this.
we're on the left foot.
So we have 5, 6, half tempo. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, hold on 5, Saida 6, back on 7, 8, open, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, one more time. So here we are, left foot forward for both lead and follow. On the count of 1, we're gonna start with our right foot. All right, here we go. 5, 6, half tempo. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, together. 5, Saida 6, back 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic.
Okay, for the follows, we are gonna do exactly what he does and change his foot. So we're gonna be on 8, And then our first step will be with the right. Half tempo, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exit, 7, 8, and lateral together, lateral together.
Fantastic.
One
Full
more time.
tempo. Oh, okay, one more time.
One more time. Left foot forward, half tempo. 5, 6,
Ay, ay, ay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Open.
4, open, pivot, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic, fantastic. We are ready for the whole thing. Here we go, whole thing. 5, 6, half tempo. 5, 6, half tempo. And 1, together. Saída. 3, hold. And 5, forward. 6, 7, 8 with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, open, together, saída, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Whole thing from this angle.
From this angle for the ladies, half tempo, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step together, step together.
Hey, pa. All right. So that was the whole thing with the music, huh?
Full tempo.
Full tempo with the music, right? With the music, full tempo. So we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this angle, epa. Awesome. That is all, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video,
If you like us, hit the heart button
and we'll see you
on the dance floor.